Wealth holds a magnetic allure, especially for younger generations. According to studies, 20% of adults under 30 prioritize being wealthy, a higher proportion than any other age group. Meanwhile, only 10% of surveyed adults think wealth isn't important. But what is wealth, really? Wealth goes beyond money. For some, it's financial freedom. For others, it encompasses emotional, physical, and material abundance. The dictionary defines wealth as an abundance of valuable assets or possessions. Ultimately, the essence of wealth is the freedom to make decisions that benefit ourselves and our families. This explains why so many people pursue riches. Wealth is power, power to purchase freedom, enrich lives, and create opportunities. Despite this universal desire, many find their dreams of wealth unfulfilled. Why? Because the road to wealth requires deliberate actions, not just wishful thinking. Let's dive into a step-by-step guide to creating wealth and achieving long-term financial security. But first, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss our free, informative content. Step 1. Save smartly. Saving is the foundation of wealth. While this may sound cliché, it's a timeless truth. A household that plans and monitors spending feels wealthier and achieves goals more effectively. If you're living paycheck to paycheck, you'll never build wealth. Many people fall victim to consumerism, prioritizing lifestyle over investments. Ads featuring luxury vacations and flashy cars perpetuate the myth that spending equals wealth. True wealth builders, however, live below their means, redirecting savings toward investments. To save smartly, pay yourself first. Dedicate a percentage of your income to savings before budgeting for expenses. Cut unnecessary costs. Reevaluate subscriptions, dining out, and other discretionary spending. Embrace delayed gratification. The more you save now, the more you can invest for future gains. As financial expert Todd Tresidder emphasizes, great wealth builders focus on saving money and earning more. Step 2. Start investing. Saving alone won't make you wealthy. To grow your wealth, you need to invest. Contrary to popular belief, you don't need a fortune to start investing. Apps like Robinhood or Acorns enable you to begin with spare change. Investing allows your money to work for you. The power of time and compounding interest amplifies returns over the long term. Yet, many people shy away from investing due to fear or a lack of knowledge. According to a survey by GoBanking Rates, 43% of young adults avoid investing in stocks, bonds, or real estate because they find it intimidating or fear market losses. Here's how to overcome these hurdles. Start small. Even a modest investment can grow significantly over time. Educate yourself. Learn about different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Think long-term. Avoid timing the market. Focus on steady, consistent contributions. By sitting on the sidelines, you risk missing the immense benefits of time and compound growth. Wealth rewards the proactive, not the passive. Step 3. Invest in education. Knowledge is power, and investing in education is one of the best ways to secure your financial future. Education doesn't only mean formal degrees. Personal development and skill building are equally vital. Here's why education matters. Career advancement. Additional skills make you more competitive in the job market. Increased earning potential. Higher skills often translate to higher pay. Lifelong relevance. As industries evolve, continuous learning keeps you in demand. Developing yourself is a form of wealth building. Whether you're learning a new language, mastering financial literacy, or acquiring technical skills, the payoff is invaluable. As T. Harv Eker, author of Secrets of the Millionaire Mind, says, "Your income can grow only to the extent that you do." Step 4. Apply leverage. Leverage is a game changer in wealth creation. It's the strategic use of resources, time, money, or technology to amplify results beyond your personal limitations. Here are some ways to apply leverage effectively. Financial leverage: borrow money wisely to invest in high-return opportunities like real estate or business ventures. Time leverage: delegate tasks or automate processes to free up your time for higher-value activities. Technology leverage: use tools, software, and systems to scale your efforts and reach a broader audience. Knowledge leverage: collaborate with experts to gain insights and skills that surpass your own. Network leverage: build connections and partnerships that expand your resources and influence. Leverage allows you to achieve exponential growth. For example, by investing in real estate with a mortgage, you control a valuable asset that can appreciate over time, generating returns far greater than your initial outlay. Step 5. Treat wealth like a business. Imagine trying to run a business without a plan. It's destined to fail. The same applies to personal wealth. To build and sustain wealth, you need a financial plan. A solid financial plan includes clear goals. Define your desired annual income and net worth. A roadmap. Outline specific steps from budgeting to investing to achieve those goals. Regular reviews. Monitor your progress and adjust your strategies as needed. As T. Harv Eker advises, rich people are totally clear that they want wealth. Treat your finances like a business and manage your money with the same discipline and foresight. Wealth creation isn't about luck. It's about strategy, discipline, and action. The freedom that comes with financial security allows you to focus on what truly matters: family, health, and personal fulfillment. Here's a quick recap of today's steps. Save smartly. Prioritize saving and cut unnecessary expenses. Start investing. Let your money work for you. Invest in education. Gain skills to increase your earning potential. Use leverage. Amplify your resources for exponential growth. Plan like a business. Treat your finances with the care they deserve. The time to act is now. Don't let procrastination or fear hold you back from achieving the wealth you deserve. Hit that subscribe button, enable notifications, and join us for more actionable tips and insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.